For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Indian Premier League is by far the biggest franchise cricket tournament on the planet. It has changed the landscape of the sport all around the world and made careers of several cricketers. With around 1 billion eyes on the tournament, players are under immense pressure to make a name for themselves. In the latest, legendary Sri Lankan spinner Muttiah Muralitharan has opined that playing in the IPL is harder than playing for the nation. The legendary spinner said that the competition in the IPL is much higher. Playing IPL is difficult than playing for country. With country, you know you will perform. You will have the confidence that you'll get the ball, you'll play. But in IPL, no matter how well you've done, you might have to sit out for the sake of team combination. So that's part and parcel of IPL. You have to accept it and move on. In IPL, only 4 foreigners can play, so team composition is there. Some matches need all-rounders, some don't. I too have sat out many matches, but have never been unsatisfied. That is part of the game. The legendary spinner has indeed made a big statement regarding the Indian Premier League. Muralitharan played for Chennai Super Kings, Kochi Tuskers and Royal Challengers Bangalore in his IPL career. This statement by Muralitharan highlights that even he felt pressure while playing in the IPL. The former Sri Lankan off-spinner is the highest wicket taker of the world in both ODIs and Test. Murali's statement also underlines how IPL has become the benchmark when it comes to testing oneself under pressure. With veteran international cricketers taking part in it, IPL has become a fierce competition. There have been numerous examples when a player has performed well in the IPL and has got into the respective national side. The cash-rich tournament plays a critical role in the overall development of the player. It is not just Muralitharan who thinks highly of the Indian Premier League. England's limited overs captain Eoin Morgan recently said how IPL played a key role in England winning the World Cup in 2019. He said that allowing England cricketers to participate in the IPL was a strategic decision. Playing in IPL was part of Strauss's plan. I pushed him to make that call because in international bilateral series, it's so difficult to replicate the pressure that's there in Champions Trophy or the World Cup. He asked me what's different. One, you play as an overseas player, so there's huge expectations. If you play in IPL, there's different pressure and different expectation. Sometimes you can't get away with it and you have to find a way to deal with it. It takes you out of your comfort zone. It is completely beneficial to play in IPL. That was a big mindset shift for us. And I hope Indian cricket is alright with us because we are using it as a vehicle to try and grow players. IPL has sort of grabbed all the limelight and the importance of domestic competitions has somewhat been compromised. The kind of talent which we get to see in the IPL and with all the attention, it is certainly challenging for players to play their natural game.